Dr. Mark again, and I thought I'd take just a couple of minutes to show you what happens when you run that nasty looking program that Randall Schwartz has got in the introduction chapter in the section entitled A Whirlwind Tour of Perl. So I went ahead and I entered the thing, and it's looks very cryptic. I added a couple of comments. For one thing, these quotes, these are back quotes, and you might think that they're single quotes, but they're not. And those are found on the Mac keyboard on the key to the left of the 1 key. A single quote gives it an entirely different meaning. And I put in a couple of comments. The first one, that you don't want to get confused with the back quotes and the single quotes. Second, that this line is actually building an array called lines. And this array from lines is actually made up of lines out of a text document called Perl Doc. It's the Perl documentation. And we're looking for lines that have something to do with an atangent function. Then we come into a loop. So I've added another comment here that says print each line with the prescribed changes. So this is a for each loop. Some of you might have written a for each loop in BASIC, very much like that. And so for each line in our array, we're going to go through and we're going to do this very cryptic command. Now, when we get to regular expressions, that's going to mean something to you. But basically what we're doing is we're looking at the line, we're searching for something, and we're replacing it with something else. And then this line will actually print the resulting line. Okay? So, I went ahead and saved that out. So let's minimize it and let's go here to my terminal window. Now I called this file wizbang because it's just basically a bunch of whiz-bang to you at this point. So let's see what happens when I type in Perl whiz-bang. And there it is. So the program does something, even though it looks pretty bizarre to you and I when we first see it. But that's okay. We're here to learn.